Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright.
And guys, if you can't approach from the east, we're bottled up here if you come down 12. Yeah, we're down there on Sylvester, block off the street, so we're going to have traffic going eastbound.
Alright, so this house right here, there's a bunch of windows facing east.
Let's get another unit at 10th and Nixon.
There's a bunch of windows facing east. That's their windows, so we want to be careful.
Okay.
And then right where that blue car's at, you can cut down into the east side of that building.
At 12th and Nixon.
Hey, show me your hands! Put your hands up! Juan
just ran out the back window.
Hands up! Hands up! Two suspects down, one still firing.
Yeah, stop.
Stop moving! He's reloading. Shoot him! He's reloading.
Put the gun down! Watch crossfire!
Drop the gun! Jesus Christ. One down. Hey, where'd one go? I think he went north. Hey, we got one down here. Maybe one ran north. Miguel, I think.
2 suspects down. I got 2 suspects down.
I can't see the second one.
Hey guys, I'm coming at you from the west in the alley by the suspects. Coming up. Going east on Nixon. Hey, what you're doing is go east on Nixon.
Boxes here, glass.
And guys, if you can't approach from the east, we're bottled up here if you come down 12. Yeah, we're down there on Sylvester, block off the street, so we're going to have traffic going eastbound. Hey, let's get another unit at 10th and Nixon.
What's that?
There's a bunch of windows facing east. That's their windows, so we want to be careful.
Okay.
Right where that blue car's at, you can cut down into the east side.
Here at
Okay.
12th and Nixon. Get the vehicle.
Hey!
Show me your hands!
Put your hands up!
Juan just ran out the back window on the east
Hands
side.
up! Hands up!
Two suspects down, one still firing.
Yeah, stop.
Stop moving! Show me your hands!
Shoot him, he's reloading.
Put the gun down!
Fire.
Drop the gun! Jesus Christ!
Yeah. Hey, where'd one go? I think he went north. Hey, we got one down here. Maybe one ran north. Miguel, I think.
Now I got 2 subjects down.
I can't see the second one.
Hey guys, I'm coming at you from the west in the alley by the suspects. Coming up.
It is zoomed in to show gunshots being fired at Officer Fox and Detective Glass. Two handguns were located, one next to each suspect.